Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Wednesday, the 21st of July, 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The local share market closed up 0.8% today, reversing yesterday's losses, and closed at 7,309 points. It was a pretty good day across the board, led by healthcare and financial stocks. Only industrials and technology stocks went backwards. All the top 10 stocks gained ground today. Wesfarmers was up more than 2%, while BHP, CSL, National Australia Bank, ANZ, Macquarie, Woolworths and Rio Tinto all jumped more than 1%. Lithium producer Pilbara Minerals was the best on the bourse, up 5.5%. US engineering software group Autodesk has dropped its bid for ASX-listed Altium after the two tech companies couldn't agree on price. It came after a bid valuing the company at $5.25 billion. That was rejected earlier in the week, according to media reports. The decision triggered a near 5% drop in Altium's share price, the worst on the bourse today, and the company is now worth around $4.3 billion, nearly 20% below the bid. Engineering services group CIMIC, which was formerly Leighton's Holdings, reported strong group revenue growth in the first 6 months of 2021, though net profit was lower. Its share price rose 4.5%. Kogan.com, one of the big winners from the pandemic, said sales had picked up in June versus April and May, but the company was still discounting after ordering too much stock. Chief Executive Ruslan Kogan said the company has served 3 million Australians during the year. Its share price closed 1.5% lower. Coal, silver and alumina group South32 reported record annual production for the last financial year, but it expects its full results to include an impairment of nearly $1 billion for its Illawarra metallurgical coal business in New South Wales. Regulators in the state so far have refused an extension for the plant. South32's share price rose 0.7% today. Oil group Beach Energy said revenue had jumped during the June quarter thanks to higher oil and gas prices. Sales revenue was up 7% and the company's production came in at the top end of guidance, but its share price fell more than 3% today. Africa-focused gold miners Perseus Mining reported a jump in gold production for the first 6 months of the year. It's been among the better performing gold miners over the past year, not that that's a particularly high benchmark. Perseus's share price rose 0.3%. And ServiceStream has bought Lendlease Services, a national service provider in the utilities, transportation and telecommunications sectors, for $295 million. The group, which was in a trading halt today, will raise $185 million in capital to buy the business. In economic news, retail sales fell 1.8% during June as lockdowns and restrictions across the country forced stores to shut shop. The figure this month is likely to be even worse given the scale of lockdowns. Just recapping Wall Street, the S&P 500 closed up 1.5% this morning. The Dow Jones Industrial Average and Nasdaq were both 1.6% higher. That's it for the afternoon market report for Wednesday, the 21st of July, 2021. Join me tomorrow morning for the Thursday edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.